Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create transparent background in Photoshop. So get ready started. At first open our Photoshop document. Now you can see transparent background. Now you're going to the keyboard press Ctrl N. Now height and weight. Now click OK. Now open the background. Now you can see, then I'm going to the background option. Now click from mouse right button. Now click from layer from background. Now click OK. Then again going to the layer. Now click from opacity. Now opacity in 50%. That it's. Now you can see transparent background. Then again sense the opacity. Now 40%. That it's. Now you can see transparent background create in Photoshop document is very easy. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.